Have you ever heard about relative keys? When you have some major scale, there is also a minor scale that shares the same key signature as major one. For example, you have a C major scale, all white keys, and there is a minor scale which also uses only white keys, A minor. So you can use white keys to play in major, or minor. This relation between major and minor scale is visible on the circle of fifths. So C major becomes A minor, G major becomes E minor, etc., etc. But you don't need to memorize it. All you need to remember is one magic number, 3. Because in C major scale, the first note is of course C, and all you need to do is to count 3 semitones to the left from C. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and you have A minor. Another example, D major. I take the D and I go 3 semitones to the left. 1, 2, 3. And I have B minor. Of course, knowing the scale itself is another challenge, but that's the topic for another video. See you next time.